Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are studying at home. Today I am going to teach for UKG students and the subject's name is math. Okay? And the chapter will be numbers. Though it is here from 1 to 20, but today I am going to teach you 1 to 50. I know you all know how to count from 1 to 100, but today I will be teaching 1 to 50. Okay? I know I have skipped some chapters, okay? Front, back, open, close, all this I have skipped, but I will be doing later on. Okay, this is most important chapter because from this we are going to do more in maths. Okay, so come, let's start. This is a quick recap. Okay, you know how to count, so count with me. Okay, start counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So all these are numbers. Okay, numbers, and this can be called as figures. Okay, figures. Okay, so there are some worksheets which we have to do, and we will be doing this. I will be sharing this in WhatsApp. Okay, so numbers from 1 to 20. Count and match. How you have to do it? Here some pictures have been given. See, some hammers are given, some ice creams are given, some bags, school bags are given, butterflies, then cupcake and buttons. Okay, and some numbers have been given here. So what we have to do is we have to count it. Okay, count the objects. How many are there? See, in the first row, how many hammers are there? You have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 hammers are there. On the side of the page, see, some numbers have been given. Is there any 16 number? See, 5, 10, 16. Yes, there is. So we have to match the column. Okay, you have to draw a line from hammer to 16. Then even ice cream. How many ice creams are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So is there any 9 out here? Yes, there is. So we have to draw a line from ice cream to number 9. So accordingly we have to count all the objects and we have to draw lines. Okay, we will be doing in worksheets. Okay, in WhatsApp group. Again, see, write the numbers from 1 to 20. You have to write from 1 to 20 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, 11, 12, 13, 14. As this way, you have to write here and here. Okay. Then the next page, page number 26. Numbers from 1 to 20. Count and encircle the correct number. So you have to count the see students, some pictures have been given. Okay, some flowers, the picture of some flowers, a picture of some housefly, tomato, then guava, then butterfly, then beetle, and balls, strawberries, and tops. So what you have to do is you have to count the flowers, okay, in the first column. So here we have to count the flowers: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So 16 flowers are there. So you have to encircle 16. Some numbers are given: 15 16 17 18. So you have to encircle 16, okay. In this way you have to do the others. Like, how many houseflies are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How many houseflies are there? There are 9 houseflies. So you have to encircle 9. Where is 9? See here. So you have to encircle 9, okay. Then accordingly you have to complete this. This again we will be doing in WhatsApp. Then count and color the correct numbers of object. See, mangoes are given. You love mangoes? Yes, we all love eating mangoes. So count and colors. You have to count the object, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. See, 8 is there, so we have to color 8 mangoes. How many mangoes? Because it is written here 8, we have to color 8 mangoes. You have to count the object and you have to color it. Again, 10, you have to count 10 hats, okay, and you have to color 10 hats, not more than that, okay, or not less than that. Again, 15, you have to count the balls accordingly, okay, 15, and you have to color 15 balls, okay, not more than that and not less than that. So you have to do this chapter in this way. Okay students, so do practice at home, okay, and I will soon give you the worksheets in WhatsApp group. Bye bye.